Hey, hey guys, I'm Rasim from Rasmurtech.com, and today's vlog number 2. Today I've been working on my tutorials, checking emails, getting stuff done, but I really want to show you guys my home office slash studio. So let's get started. Here's my desk with my Lenovo Idea Center A70 fully touchscreen computer. Now, over here I have my whiteboard, which I use to take down notes, or I do some lessons with the whiteboard. I have my lighting kit. I have my tripod, which I use to hold up the cameras. I have a drill kit there, which I use on occasion when I'm out in the field. I have my tool bag with tools and various other things that I use on the field. Now let's see what I got in the tool bag. Alright, let's start off with this Fluke wire stripper. This is what I use to strip the jackets off of Rj45 cables. I have here a Stanley stud finder. I use this when I want to locate studs in a wall. So when I'm running cable through the wall, I can locate the stud. I have here a Trendent cable tester. This is used to test Rj45 cable. I use this all the time. And I have a big bag of Rj45 connectors. I use these all the time. I have Fluke electrician scissors here. This I use when I'm on the field and I want to cut cable in half. I have a crimping tool used to crimp Rj45 and Rj11 cables. I have a flashlight. I always use a flashlight. It comes in handy at any job. See what I got here. Here I got a Fluke Networks butt test. I use this to test phone lines. Comes with alligator clips here. I have here the Fluke Network punch down tool with the tool holster. This thing holds the punch down tool. It'll hold the wire stripper, and it'll also hold the electrician scissors. Just like that. This you could put on your belt. I use this all the time. I have a tape measure. This always comes in handy. I also have a leveler, which I use all the time. I also have another crimping tool for Rj45 and Rj11 cables. This is from Trendent. You can't have enough of these. I have a different face plates. This is for Rj45. Electrical tape is useful. I always use it for everything. Can't get enough of these zip ties. I use them to tie down the cables. A good screwdriver. This is probably the #1 tool. Now finally, my Fluke Networks IntelliTone probe and toner. I use this to locate cables when I'm running them. It basically, you connect one end of the cable to here, and when you run a cable, you could find the other end with this probe here. When you get next to the cable, it'll start beeping. So that'll let you know that that's the right cable. I use this all the time and this saves me a lot of time. Alright, that's pretty much it for this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm Rasim from Rasmurtech.com, and thanks for watching.